Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on Gmail notifications. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn on Gmail notifications, if you have turned it off previously, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner. And when this panel appears, scroll down and tap on the settings option available for us over here just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and when this menu appears, tap on the general settings at the top of the list, and you land on this interface where you can see the manage notifications option available for the Gmail app over here. Tap on manage notifications, and over here, if you had turned off your Gmail notifications previously, that will be on this section. First, in order to turn it on completely, tap on the toggle icon and it will be turned blue, and the notifications, all of them, will come back online. But if you had just turned off certain notifications of the Gmail on the phone, then scroll down over here, they will be over here. And with that being said, guys, after going out through these options detailedly, you will be able to view which notifications were off. And guys, this is how to turn on Gmail notification. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.